Right.
I
To prepare for his upcoming role, Daniel Day-Lewis immersed himself in the world of blank.
Nothing good.
Burn a
I
card.
have the I have the best code for this right now.
The worst part is, I have no idea who
God.
Daniel Day-Lewis is. Oh, it's that guy. Alright. Getting
Did you
bitten
search
by
it?
a radioactive... Yeah, I just looked him up. I saw a picture. I've seen him in movies before.
Oh. Oh, he-
Getting bitten by a radioactive spider and then battling leukemia for 30 years. The KKK. Well, he's kind of an old man, right?
yeah. Yeah.
Then I have to go with
Yep.
that one.
Funnier because he played Lincoln in the Lincoln movie.
Alright.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Adventure, romance, blank. From Paramount Pictures, blank. So play 2 cards, guys.
Yeah, this is terrible.
Oh god.
Adventure, romance. Wait. Am I reading this left to right or right to left?
It's left to right.
That's right. Okay. Adventure, romance, Kim Jong Il. From Paramount Pictures, Feeding Your Wives. Adventure, romance, A Balanced Breakfast. From Paramount Pictures, A Lifetime of Sadness.
Adventure.
Oh, okay. That one makes no sense. That one makes no
Both of them
sense.
kind of didn't make sense.
So Kim Jong Il actually does have a harem, though. He actually does have wives. So
Several wives.
yeah, that one makes sense.
That was Kim Jong Un's dad, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, his father.
you know
I
Kim
can't
Jong
handle
Il's
blank.
brother.
Sorry, go on.
The reason why Kim Jong Il's brother is not the dictator right now is because he wanted to go to Disneyland so much.
Oh god.
If
I
you
have
can't
to
handle
play
blank,
those.
you'd better stay away from blank.
I had to play those cards. Oh my god.
Ooh, the card that I got just now would have gone eating your wives. And both of them would go really well right now. Neon Devil.
David.
Alright, if you can't handle the Jews, you better stay away from social justice warriors with flamethrowers of compassion.
Stay away from those flamethrowers, man. The Jews didn't earn this.
Okay.
Not again.
I didn't think of it that way. That's pretty fucking terrible. If you can't handle Daddy's belt, you better stay away from emotions. Yeah, I gotta go with that one.
Yes.
Fuck! I wasted the Jews for this?
I mean,
You
Hitler
the
was
Jews.
used for stuff too.
You haven't truly lived until you've experienced blank and blank at the same time.
I have to. I have to.
Oh god.
Oh god, I
Yes.
just got... Alright, you haven't truly lived until you've experienced spontaneous human combustion and chainsaws for hands at the same time. You haven't
Pretty
truly
fucking
lived
cool.
until you've experienced flesh-eating bacteria and filling every orifice with butterscotch pudding at the same
Ugh.
time.
All of them?
Yes, all of them.
All of them.
So an orif is a opening on the body, right?
Well, this is an opening on the body, so like your nose, your nostrils, your mouth.
Your ears, your ass,
your sphincter,
Oh.
your urethra.
Yeah, that's... Wow. Thank you.
Yeah, I had to go with chainsaws for hands. I would have gone with that, honestly.
That
Heavy
one
metal.
sounds more fun.
Yeah, it does.
Like, that's living, man. You're on fire, you've got chainsaws for hands.
I'm gonna wait for you
Oh,
to
God.
say this one real quick.
If I was not the card, though, I would have had the best card for this.
I do have
You
the
need
best
more
card
people.
for
It's no
this.
fun with me.
Alright, go on.
It's no fun when I'm winning, guys.
Ooh.
I have two that are great. I don't know.
It doesn't matter, you've lost this one.
Alright, then I'll do... that one. Child abuse. Oh, I had one that could have easily beaten it. Teenage pregnancy.
Oh god. I mean, I could have put down, like, Vietnam Flash.
Wait,
Something
so, think on. Think
Yeah.
on. You're overpowering your father, so I have to ask, explain that to me.
He got really into, being submissive.
I
Okay.
was thinking of him overpowering his dad.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I mean, if he's already a dad, then he can probably do it already.
Yeah.
Dad, I know you're having problem with Alzheimer's and losing mom and everything, but I just get a rush from this. You don't understand, like, my joy.
It's the only thing I have to live for left in my life, is beating
Okay.
the shit out of you. Literally.
We
Wait,
won
what?
that one.
No one won because you didn't pick anything.
We were...
I see a code! I literally clicked that! I clicked the one.
Which
Fuck
one
it.
were you
You have
clicking?
to click and then say confirm selection.
I know
What
I
were you
did.
clicking?
Well,
Life was
gonna
difficult for
go for-
cavemen before blank.
Oh.
Take your time. Take your time.
I have a vase. I have a good code for this.
Alright,
It's
that
difficult
one's
for
pretty great.
Cavemen before a base drop so huge it tears the starry vault
Tears.
Under to
tears the
deal with
starry
it.
vault sunder to reveal the face of God. Or agriculture. Must
So on a
say
very
there's a
serious
good-
level, agriculture is what.
Yeah, like if I'm gonna go serious, I'm gonna go agriculture.
You know what?
Sound very
The base
serious.
is Huge. It says the sorry vault of thunder and reveals space to go. God, there's like one of those cards in the entire deck. Go with it, man.
Hey, you haven't won
Right.
any yet. So just now.
You just won one.
I have a strict policy. First date, dinner. Second date, kiss. Third date, blank. I want to see what you guys think my policy is.
I know what your policy is. I
think
know
I
your
got this right.
A whole new kind of porn. Or taking down Santa with surface-to-air missile. It's not even a question. It's that one.
Oh, come on, man.
Very
You're
similar
funny.
dating rules.
Dude, you get all of the loot.
Today on BuzzFeed, 10 pictures of blank that look like blank. Because everyone goes on BuzzFeed.
Go on, bud.
You don't use BuzzFeed?
Do.
Alright.
Boy, this one's great.
Mine's
Ten
not. These are
pictures
throwaway
of
cards.
some juices and that look like the black half of Barack Obama. 10 pictures of the taint, the grundle, the fleshy fun bridge that look like the quesadilla explosion salad from Chili's.
Holy shit!
Jeff, is that you?
Might have been.
Yeah, it was. That was Hunter. That one wins.
Yeah,
If you don't pick it, I'm gonna be
I
mad.
win.
Oh.
Give me a moment. The votes are in, and the new high school mascot is blank. The
Oh.
fleshy fun bridge.
Here we go.
Oh.
Teen pregnancy, falcon with a box on its head. Well, ooh, ooh.
You gotta decide. Yes!
Right now in my life, it's pretty.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Not
I feel
in
like
that
this
way.
is... Alright. What will I bring back in time to convince people that I am a powerful wizard? I don't think I've told you guys about this. Let's see how close you can get.
I have no idea. I'm consulting the powers that might or might not be Tumblr.
A gender identity that can only be conveyed through slam poetry.
Tumblr.
Or yeah, basically. Or several Michael Keatons. Let me just look up who that is. Oh god.
Is he a porn star?
No.
Oh, it's him. Oh, he was Batman. Birdman.
Yeah, he was.
Batman again. Beetlejuice.
Yeah. Yeah, he's in a lot of
Oh, I
movies
won
that are
that.
good.
I'm
Yeah.
winning.
This month's... Oh, it's not me.
Oh man.
Read it. Read it before we say anything.
This one's Cosmo. Spice up your sex life by being blank into the bedroom.
I had... Damn it, it's that card again!
I can't even. This one's Cosmo. Spice up your sex life by bringing child abuse into the bedroom. Spice up your sex life by bringing whatever you wish, mother, into the bedroom.
The implications of both are horrifying.
Yeah.
You know, when you're in a BDSM relationship with your own mom, I kind of think it's bad.
No. It's like the whole daddy thing. It's just the gender flopped.
Gender flip.
Is
She's
it-
wearing the pants this time. You know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? And that is why I am single. Oh god.
You think mothers are worse than children?
No. This is America. I'm not reading it.
This is America. If you don't work hard, you don't succeed. I don't care if you're black, white, purple, or blank.
I got this.
This is America. I mean, that one's gonna win straight off the bat, but this is America. If you don't work hard, you don't succeed. I don't care if you're black, white, purple, or the entire Mormon Tabernacle Choir. This is America. If you don't work, you don't succeed. I don't care if you're black, white, purple, or sex goblin with a carnival penis. Well, relevant to me, so this one's gonna win. I've just lost every single view in my entire state that I'm living.
Alright, let's see what we got. When I am a billionaire, I shall erect a 50-foot statue to commemorate blank.
Oh.
Take
Oh,
your
I have
time,
a code for
let
this, I
your
don't wanna
minds
waste it.
wander.
I have a good code, but I don't want to waste it.
Alright, to commemorate Vietnam flashbacks. To commemorate... What would Jesus do? You know, flipping a table...
Jesus would do.
Yeah.
Well, if you
Flipping a
don't flashback,
table
man,
and
those are
beating someone
intense.
with a whip is not above the realm of possibilities for what Jesus would
Throwing
do.
everything and starting over again is just the other.
I just like to point that out.
Oh god.
It's actually the Bible chase people around with a whip. That's great. We love it.
The card that I used.
Life
is
is
ruled
by a vicious cycle of blank and blank. Guys, can you stop talking when I'm in code? My life is ruled by a vicious cycle of blank and blank.
Well, that was kind of a burn, but still.
I have nothing good. Let's see here. Sure. It'll go from 0 to 100 real quick.
Vicious cycle of bitches. A lampy swimming up the toilet and latching onto your tank. Oh
Ooh.
god!
Relevant.
I don't want to know how.
the
Vicious
taint
cycle
one
of
earlier.
passive aggressive and I don't need to hear this. A vicious cycle of being a passive aggressive post-it notes and being paralyzed from the neck down.
God.
God, those are both bad.
You said vicious.
They both go from 0 to 100 real quick. You know what? I like that one.
Awesome.
Passive aggressive post-it notes. I've done that before.
I was actually throwing those cards away.
The socialist governments of
Wait.
Scandinavia have declared that access to blank is a basic human right. Bitches.
Oh god. Here you go. That's horrible. Why would I do this?
Okay,
I need
Tuff, I need to know something. Are you Republican? No? Okay, then it's not as good for you.
Either, but I am. Warm velvety muffins.
What? Those are both. What the fuck?
God damn it, Scandinavia, you fucking weirdos. First Ikea, now this shit.
Ikea was good. I mean, you can't
For a
build
bit,
anything,
yeah.
but Ikea was good. Their meatballs.
He doesn't sell meatballs.
Yeah, they
Does it?
sell furniture.
No, they do. IKEA meatballs. They have their whole little food court section. Okay.
Oh my god, it's awesome.
Socialist governments of Scandinavia have declared the access of ancient Athenian boy fucking is a basic human right, or yeah. I just
Yeah.
sorry.
Scandinavians are fucking weird.
Yeah.
What's my secret power?
I'm the card czar.
Oh god damn it.
What's my secret power, bitches? Bringing a bunch of Michael Keatons back from the future to convince people I'm a powerful
Taint
wizard.
that looks like the quesadilla explosion salad.
What's my secret power? Breastfeeding a 10-year-old.
It's even
What's
more
my
weird
secret
because we're
power?
all guys.
Yeah, what's my secret power? Inappropriate yodeling. I feel like this is more of a secret power.
Thank you.
The other can be
Oh.
done at any time and is more of a surprise.
Okay. Blank. Achievement unlocked.
Ooh. Yeah, that one works. Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
got this. Hey, the score right now is 6-5-4.
Good.
Input. Achievement unlocked. A neglected Tamagotchi. Achievement unlocked. You know what? I used to have a Tamagotchi when I was in 2nd grade. I loved that thing, and I used that thing to the day it broke. So I did not neglect that Tamagotchi, and that is not going to be an achievement.
It's an achievement that you never got.
ooh, sick burn.
I always achieve. I overachieve.
An international tribunal has found blank guilty of blank. Wall Santa guilty of a neglected Tamagotchi.
Man, I would have had a really good card to go for this.
These cards go together so well. It's fantastic.
This doesn't make any sense. It just fits the tenses I need.
Okay.
Oh my god, that's great.
So we're bringing that one back. I'm sorry for not reading it, but that one's gotta win.
Oh, I can't breathe right now.
I wasn't going to win that one.
I'm like, holy shit, these cards. One of them I literally just drew the round before. I'm not like the rest of you. I'm too rich and busy for blank. Mall Santa or coat
God.
hanger abortion. Oh my god,
These
this
are
is
both
tough.
extremely terrible. I hope you
I'm
guys feel
too-
happy.
I'm too rich. You're too rich for coat hanger abortions,
You're never
but you
too
could be
rich for
too
that.
busy. You can be. You can definitely be too busy for mall Santa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
You're never too
again,
rich or busy for coat hanger abortions. Just remember that, kids.
Okay. Wait, what is this game placed?
So when future employers look you up, they're gonna find this video on your channel, and they're gonna hear you saying that.
When all else
Good.
fails, I can always masturbate to blank.
Keeping it relevant.
You know, I'm holding the code $1 trillion in my
You know
hand.
what? That one actually
could've said
works. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
I think we know
Oh
the
my
one.
god! When all else fails, I can always masturbate to a stick coming from Neptune that punches the earth into eternal sexiness.
I mean,
Or
if it's sexy,
I
you
can
can masturbate.
always masturbate to picking up girls at the abortion clinic.
You masturbate to picking up girls.
I'm keeping it relevant.
I want.
How,
you see, I
how
sit on
does
the
that
corner-
even work? They just like looking. Yeah, okay.
You see, I sit at the corner at the end of the street and I wait for other guys to do it, and I just, jack off right there, man. On
Oh
the
my
sign.
God.
Abortion discounting. Only pay him $10.
Yeah, but then they use a coat hanger.
Who won that
Wait,
one?
what?
Oh.
What? I had more time than
Blank
that.
is
It's bullshit.
a slippery slope that leads to blank. Picking up girls at the abortion clinic is a slippery slope that leads to coat hanger abortions.
Guys, I'm sorry about last game, but I would have picked. I would not have picked the abortion clinic one. I would have gone the other way.
Darn.
Got that card last time, man.
Darn. I was keeping it relevant though.
What's Adderall?
It's
It's a focus drug that's
For
abused
sex.
a lot.
Is it for sex?
No, it's
No?
for like ADHD.
Wait, how'd that card come back so soon?
No, that's Ritalin.
No, Adderall's the same thing.
Oh, is it?
My relationship status is a slippery slope that leads to date rape. I'm so sorry, Sam.
Oh shit, did that actually happen to someone?
No, I'm...
Okay, then we
Oh,
can joke about
yeah.
it all day long.
Yeah. I'm just saying the my relationship status part. Okay. Sex
Hey man,
coming
that's a
from
slippery
Neptune
slope.
that plunges the Earth into an eternal sexiness is a slippery slope that leads to natural male enhancements.
Male in hand.
Male.
I mean, yeah, but not that slippery of a... Oh, I see now. Hey, that's another sex joke within the sex joke. Okay.
Yeah, it is. Everything's so sexy, you're gonna need to get off all the
Well,
time.
if it's good enough for blank, then it's good enough for me. Fuck. Not Carter again. I'm so bad at this.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what have I done?
This is gonna be great.
What have I done? I'm so sorry, Sam.
Code to this point.
Alright, well, if picking up girls at the abortion clinic is good enough for party Mexicans, it's good enough for me. Well, if a bus that will explode if it goes under 50 miles per hour is good enough for a supermassive black hole, it's good enough for me. Wow, That
The
was
second one didn't make that much sense.
that was
I was
Wow.
throwing away cards, and it gave me 2 cards to throw away.
I almost put in the old gods, but decided not to.
You think you defeated me? Well, let's see how you handle. Thank you.
Yep, that's gonna work. That one's
I'm
definitely
throwing
gonna
away.
Let's see how you handle. Take back seat. Let's see how you handle evolving a labyrinthian giant.
This has been 4 times that I've put down a card, and all of them involve abortion. Just keep that one in mind, because this video is throwing away any chance that I have
That
of
is the
having a
most
real
diabolical
job.
thing God can do. Take back seat. Oh God.
This video
Yeah,
going up has taken away any chance that I have of having a real job. In an
Wait
attempt
to put it out.
So you do just change your name, okay? Just change your name.
No, I just won't tell anybody about it. In an attempt to reach
That-
a wider audience, the Royal Ontario Museum has opened an interactive exhibit on blank.
Alright, my
Why
card
can't
makes
I go
sense.
with-
One of these makes another abortion joke. I'm just exiting out of everything and leaving it how it is.
I don't know if mine is, but it makes sense with the card, the way that I perceive it.
Hey,
Yeah, thank you.
Oh,
I don't even have to read it. It's just there.
alright. Kids these days with their iPods and their internet. In my day, all we needed to pass the time was blank. Oh, good old blank. So
Ooh.
entertaining. I loved that blank so blanking much.
I have 2 cards that are okay for this.
Ooh, that's...
In my day, all we needed to pass the time was a windmill full of corpses! Well then! Or the old gods. I'm sorry, it's gotta be that one.
I'm okay with this.
Yes.
So, pretty much
Yeah.
whoever wins this round wins the game.
Alright,
This is,
there's an app for that.
Blank. There's an app for that. Sorry, blank. There's an app for that.
this is politically relevant, I guess. Yeah. I'm never gonna be able to run for president. That's pretty much what I'm getting at.
I don't understand any of these cards. This
So,
one.
whoever wins actually gets this.
Lucky.
Who's
There's
Peter
an app for
Jackson?
that.
I don't know.
I have no idea. The imagination of Peter Jackson? There's an app for that. You know what? It's the only thing I understand.
Hey, I win.
As much as you want.